Hello, my name is Ashley Alvarez, and I am doing my persuasive speech on banning smoking. And I apologize for not having my five adults in the audience, but it's just going to be me today. Alright, so let's start off with imagine waking up and not being able to breathe well. Imagine waking up and you're missing a piece of your body, a toe, fingertip, your foot, your leg, your arm. Imagine waking up and you have a hole in your throat and your voice box is gone completely. Imagine not being able to wake up, not having that opportunity to see tomorrow. Those are the risks you take when you are a smoker. 443,000 people in America die per year due to smoking. The health of smokers is decreasing rapidly, along with the people who are around them all the time. Their health is decreasing as well due to secondhand smoke. So today I would like to explore the health issues that come along with smoking. I would like to talk about the addiction that you can get from smoking and how to how to figure out how you are addicted to it. I would like to talk about the positive outcomes of quitting smoking and banning smoking as a whole. So to begin with, the American Lung Association said that smokers are prone to have cancer. So that can be lung cancer, heart disease, cancer of the oral cavity that's in your mouth, sores on your gums, as well as stomach cancer. Now, if you're also planning to start a family in the future, or if you want to have a baby, smoking can stop that completely. Smoking can cause infertility. It can cause infertility is not being able to get pregnant or impregnating someone, not having the ability to do that, as well as preterm delivery. That's having your baby early at a low birth weight, and basically it's not healthy for the child. Um, Smoking can even cause SIDS, which is sudden infant death syndrome. So in order to prevent these things from happening, we have to get rid of smoking. We have to quit, we have to ban it, we have to get rid of it completely. Smoking shortens your lifespan by 10 years. It also, every time you smoke a cigarette, it takes 5 minutes off of your life, which is usually about the time it takes to smoke that cigarette. So if you're smoking 5 times a day, you're losing 25 minutes of your life every day. And I'm sure you want to keep that 25 minutes. There are about 4,800 chemicals inside of a cigarette, and 69 of those chemicals cause cancer. So we need to get rid of that. We need to ban smoking. Moving forward, my next topic is addiction. Not many people realize it, but smoking is addictive. And by the time they realize that it is an addiction, it is too late. People see smoking as a stress reliever or something to calm their nerves. But what they're not realizing is that the nicotine inside the cigarette is what's making them addicted. The nicotine is a powerful drug that triggers a release to your brain to change your mood. And that nicotine is what becomes addictive. So if you stop smoking, say for a couple hours, you're going to have that withdrawal. And the nicotine is going to make you want to smoke. And when you start feeling lethargic and tired in between your cigarettes, that's what's going to make your brain trigger and tell you that you want a cigarette. So that nicotine is making you addicted, and you don't even know it yet. Um, there is according to the American Cancer Society, there is a 4 to 7% range of people who successfully quit smoking. I would love to have that number up, but we can get that to 100% if we ban smoking. Moving forward, there are too many positive outcomes of not smoking and banning smoking in general. The first one is it increases your blood flow. Your health will be, it might not be perfect because there are other factors, but you won't have to worry about the negative things that come from smoking. So it will increase your blood flow, which in your relationship can increase your sexual activity. It also it also makes your breathing easier. You'll be able to breathe easier. You won't snore. Smoking also causes snoring. You might not know it because you're sleeping, but I'm sure the other people around you would like to not hear you snoring. So not smoking can stop you from snoring. as well as increasing your lung capacity by 10%. That 10% might seem small, but it is a big deal to people who smoke. So not only does not smoking improve your health, but it can also improve your physical appearance. Now, most people who smoke have a smell that is always attached to them, whether it's in their hair, their breath smells like smoke constantly, or their clothes, they always smell like a cigarette. If you stop smoking, you'll be able to be around more people without having to worry about if you smell bad or not. It also stops your teeth from yellowing. Smoking causes your teeth to get darker over the years. So by stopping smoking, you'll have a prettier smile. And also, it will not smoking will increase your activity at work. Most people who smoke don't get good jobs because they always have to take a break frequently. Most jobs don't allow you to take that many breaks a day, so this causes them to lose their job. And I'm sure you guys want to keep your job. So by looking at all these positive things that can happen from not smoking, banning it completely would be amazing. Now, in conclusion, I know that smoking is harder. It's easier. Quitting smoking is easier said than done. So by banning it as a whole, we'll be able to increase that 4 to 7% because there won't be any setbacks. There won't be any cigarettes around you to restart that process again. By banning smoking, we'll be able to breathe cleaner air, and we will be able to keep our loved ones around a little longer than they would have if they continued to smoke. We will be able to change that 443,000 deaths that we have a year. We will be able to keep the 49,000 that die from secondhand smoke. We will be able to change that number. So if you yourself are a smoker, please think about the health risks that come along with it. Please think about your loved ones and how they want to keep you around. Keep that in mind. And there are plenty of support groups. There are many things that you can do, nicotine patches, throat lozenges, nicotine gum. There's things to help you quit. If you don't smoke, that's great. Keep going. Encourage those around you who are smoking to stop. And if they need help, they can come to you. So I really believe that by banning smoking, we can improve the health of those around us. Thank you.